Hello, my name is Wonho from Kongshu National University. I would like to talk about the usage of mind map for teaching on the internet. So here, the two part, mind map class and mind map seminar, is the two nodes I would like to talk about. You can use the OKminmdap.com service for your classes. So first, I use the OKminmdap system for my lecture note. So if you open the lecture note, you can include the text and images and videos, YouTube videos, and many multimedia components you can include it into your lecture note, and you can make a good presentation, class presentation tool. And another activity you can do with the mind map service is a class roster. This is what I ask to my class students. So on the class, I ask to upload their images and assign the rows they sit, and ask them to place their pictures on the exact row and column of the seat they are on. So they can do that on as their class activity. I used the OKminmdap for teaching programming class. For this programming class, I provide some internet textbook information to them, and also provide some lecture information. But most of all, I provide the mind map node. They can cooperate, and in that node they can write their code in collaboration. So I can join what they are doing, and for me, I can use the service which actually produce something like this from the specific node, and I can compile this code and give feedback directly to my students. This is a way you can use mind map system on your program class. Student mind map is the one. Once I made my mind map on the internet, I asked to make their own internet. So this is the lecture about electrical machine I made, and after class I asked my students to make their own mind map, and this is one of the mind map which is made by my students. So after 10 or 15 minutes of education about using mind map, they can produce mind map contents like this. By doing this, they have a better understanding about the subject matter they learned. Okay, this is about how to use mind map on your class. And for the seminar, this is the sample I used. Sorry about the contents. Many of the contents are written in Korean, but I promise you to give some more specific explanation in English, even though it's not that fluent. Okay, this is English workshop. Unfortunately, it's for Korean, and I asked them, this is introduction. So I asked them to introduce themselves for the first session. So somebody write like, oh, this is very funny, and some one introduce himself. They like to teach English, and where my house is, something like that. After some time, I asked to in different session to come back and insert the reply as another following children node. So it's kind of a forum, but which has its own thread for different each different person's introduction, followed by other person's reply. This is where you can use it for to promote the interactivity for your seminar. And this is vocabulary mind app, which was built by English teachers. I asked them to make English vocabulary about fruit, and they use many different kind of multimedia images and videos, and some links and some text contents from the internet. They can most important thing is they can do it in collaboration. So this is short introduction about how to use OKminmdap for your internet class. Thank you.